What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm running over to Fry's Electronics. I gotta pick up some thermal compound for my computer stuff, and then I think a new mouse pad, maybe a new keyboard. I'm not sure yet, but then you guys will get to see the stuff that I got for my computer. Real cool. Also, wearing my hater blockers. What's up? And I'm actually just taking girlfriend's car because I need to get new tires on my car, which I am today. I just have to wait until Joe gets off work, and then we'll go over there and get some new tires on the new wheels. And it's like 8:30 in the morning, so y'all know I'm up way too damn early for the weekend, and I gotta stop and get me a Red Bull. Woo! I'm so excited about today. Getting to update my computer finally. I finally got all of my stuff. I'm so pumped. Also, I get to go help my buddy with his computer, which is super rad. He's doing an upgrade as well so that he can start playing PUBG and everything with me and all my friends and his friends, which will be dope. And then another one of my friends, I'm selling a bunch of my computer stuff too so that he can build a computer to play with us, because he's been itching to get on PC and play PC games and play PUBG and play whatever else, you know, which is super cool. I can't wait for him to get on too, so today's gonna be a good day. Also, I got new tires on the car. I'm here. They're closed. They don't open up till 9. It's 8:56, so I'm just gonna hang out here for 10-15 minutes, whatever. Let them get open. Let them do their thing with their opening kind of stuffs. We'll get the heck in there, get what we need, get out. I want to get home. I want to build my computer. It's gonna be so fast. I'm so excited. You guys have never been in a Fry's Electronics before? This place is huge and it's nothing but tech stuff, computer stuff, motherboards on the wall over there. I mean, this place is huge. Look at it. We have a giant thermal tape case. Raid Max case. Look at that. Looks like a freaking alien. So cool. Another big thermal tape case, NZXT case, Corsair case. Look at all this. This goes on and on and on and on and on. I'm leaving. I got my thermal compound, but I also got a new keyboard. It's a Corsair K70 Lux RGB. I have a lot of RGB in my system. I'm not too worried about it, but I just wanted it to match. So my mouse is a Corsair mouse. It's got RGB, and I got a keyboard to match. And then my computer has a bunch of RGB in it as well. So I was like, well, why not just run it? Because the Razer keyboard that I have now is just green, and I don't like it all that much. So I bought a new one. I was going into places like that because I can't just buy one thing that I need. All I needed was thermal compound, and I ended up spending more money and bought a keyboard too. But look at the building. How cool that is. The whole inside is rad. If you guys never been to Fry's Electronics, you gotta go in. Or wherever you guys are from, whatever kind of electronic store you have, like not like Best Buy, but like legitimate electronic store, like obviously Fry's. I here in Arizona, Fry's Electronics. Whatever you guys have, let me know what it is. I want to see how cool it is so I can look it up on the internet. But now we get to go home and put my new computer together. House here. I'm getting my desk cleared off so I can use it to build the computer, because I need a nice place to lay my case down, and then I'm gonna go over and clean everything as well. There's a lot of dust everywhere on top of my lens or on monitor and everything, so I'm gonna be dusting everything as I go as well. So, but I have to be quiet. Girlfriend is sleeping. Dusty, 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 dusty. So I gotta clean it up real quick and get this all done, and then I'll showcase everything that I got. Keyboard, all the parts that are up there, all the extra stuff that I got for the update. So check it out here. Breaking this shit down to get all the stuff going. Here's my keyboard I got. Pretty cool. $151.99 on sale because it was a display. Update. Bam, clean surface. So check this out. Boom. GTX 1080 Ti. VGA 750. Ryzen 7 1800X, biggest, baddest boy you can get in a Ryzen platform. Asus Crosshair 6 Hero. Oh yeah. And as you see, I already put my processor and my M.2 drive in there. And then at Fry's, I just picked up the Corsair Gaming keyboard. It's a K70 Lux RGB, so it'll match the rest of my stuff. It's pretty cool. But we're gonna dive down into this thing, get the case up here, pull everything out, clean it, get it ready to rock and roll, get this thing built. Complete disassemble. You can see how dirty it is. So I gotta run over to Walgreens or something and pick up a couple cans of dust off, because look at the fans. Ugh, I got a radiator. Ugh. So yeah, I gotta run over and grab some dust off so I can get this thing's completely clean before I put it back in. Same thing with this dust cover here. Come on. You can see here where it's dusty and here where it's not dusty. See the difference. Drive over to Walgreens real quick, pick up a couple cans of dust off, and we'll be back. Start something. You always end up forgetting something that you need, and you gotta leave once again to go get what you need. Go on CVS. All they have is 2 baby cans of duster, tiny little baby cans. I was hoping to get like 1 big can or 2 big cans so I can make sure I can dust all this off. They have 2 of those on the shelf. I grab both of them. I go up to the front counter, take my glasses off so I can see my face. She asked for my ID. I give her my ID and she just stares at me. I'm like, yeah, I'm 25. I'm cleaning out my computer, rebuilding it right now. She goes, yeah, sure. And I was like, excuse me? And she's like, I know kids get high off this stuff all the time. I was like, yeah, that's definitely not me. I'm just kind of trying to clean my computer out. And so I handed her my credit card, paid for it, and left. And then she just watched me walk out the whole time. I'm like, man, you can't judge a book by its cover like that. You gotta, give somebody a chance. I'm literally buying dust off to clean out of my computer. I have no intentions whatsoever of huffing this stuff, trying to get high. I mean, I don't even smoke weed. Like, I barely drink alcohol. I don't know. I just go through my day without extras, I guess, except for caffeine. That's it. I don't know. It just kind of irked me a little bit because she was just like, oh yeah, you're probably gonna go get high off this stuff, aren't ya? Nope, just cleaned out my computer. That's it. And when I walked in, walked back to where I thought they would be, grabbed the cans, walked straight to the counter, set them on the counter. Not like I was being suspicious or anything. I just grabbed them, walked them up to the counter, sat them down. And she goes, oh, dust off, huh? I said, yeah, I'm cleaning out my gaming computer and doing some updates on it because I bought some new parts for it. And that's when she was like, yeah, sure. People these days, I swear. Cleaned for the most part. Still a little bit of dust here, but for the most part, it's good to go. These dust cans absolutely suck. They have no pressure in them. But for the most part, I got as clean as I could. Just going over with the glass cleaner on the paper towel here. It's leaving some lint, but I'm not too worried about it. It'll be okay. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna start getting this thing put together. Get her done. All right, guys, so we're all set up here. I'm going to flip the switch and we will see firsthand if I did it correct. Power on. Okay, got power. Awesome. Green lights. Okay. RGBs are rolling. Now let's turn on. See if she posts. All right. It's on. Come on, baby. I think my monitor's on. We are in. Awesome. Hit delete. Jump into the BIOS. New CPU installed. Just hit your start button. Configure the system. Press F1. Booyah. BIOS, going over everything. Just doing a quick look over, make sure everything's going okay. All the fans are rolling. Everything's going, everything's working. It's good. So we are going to mess around with some things and see how things go. Cool, so it posts, it works, everything's right, rock and rolling. I just set a couple things with it to work correctly at the speeds that everything is manufactured for. So, but I'm super pumped. I like this keyboard too. This keyboard's badass. It works real nice. And it actually came with these different keys right here. Each one's angled, which is, they're like gaming keys, so they're angled. And these are the ones that I mostly use all the time for gaming. So they're textured and angled, which is pretty cool. So I like that. Running. I'm just doing BIOS updates on it real quick. Getting all of the drivers and everything updated to today's specs. So it's all ready to rock and roll. See how this goes. Editing video and everything for you guys here on YouTube was kind of hard. It was very slow, so I'm hoping that upgrading to these parts definitely helps. It would be awesome if it did, because it was just super slow. Hopefully it helps on game performance too, but that's not really why I updated. I updated just because I wanted better editing capabilities. So hopefully now, when I shoot 4K on the phone here, I'll be able to upload it and not have any issues, because I tried uploading it on the old setup and it literally wouldn't upload it because it was 4K files. Alright, cool. So going through everything here, going back into the BIOS, I just allocated my new SSD that I added in, that tiny little like stick of gum size SSD, the NVMe M.2 drive, and I put that one in, so now it's recognized in my BIOS here. So I'm gonna go through it, and I'm gonna change my boot priority to that M.2. Should boot a little bit faster, but we'll see here. Maybe, we'll see. But I did put a partial overclock on it. The cool thing about the Crosshair 6 Hero, it comes with presets. So you have a gamer's overclock, a 414 black overclock, and then you have a 4 gigahertz overclock and a 3600 megahertz RAM overclock. I tried to do all of them, didn't really want to work out. The gamer's one did work, and that's about all I need. So I'm sitting at 3.7 or just about 3.8 gigahertz on the or megahertz on the oh yeah, sorry, 3. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, we're sitting at 3780 megahertz on the CPU speed and 2239 on the what you call it here, memory speed, which is not. I have 3200 speed, but as of right now, they don't want to work as I want to work correctly, so meh, oh well. Actually, I changed my mind here. With the NVMe M.2 drive that I just got, I'm going to load my video editing software on it and PUBG on it, because those are pretty much the most things I use. Everything else doesn't need to be as quick, but I want PUBG to be at its prime, fastest boot times, everything like that. So I'm gonna uninstall both of those and reinstall them on the NVMe M.2. It is now downloading onto the NVMe M.2 drive, so we'll see if the performance changes on that. I'm not sure if it will or not, but it'd be cool if it does. I pretty much got it all ready to rock and roll. I have one of my monitors up here temporarily, but as you can see, this is how I'm gonna run it. But I have that monitor up there just temporary for now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my desk into the back corner back there, move the couch that way. Yeah, move the couch that way. It's gonna go more towards the other side of the room over there, more towards the kitchen area. Then I'm gonna push my desk back there. It's gonna get pushed back into that corner, and then I'm gonna add on to the desk here, making it an L shape. And then I will move the tower over onto that L shape, and then so I can put the monitor back down on the desk and run it right there. That's kind of how I want to do it. So I'm not gonna go much bigger. I think what I'm gonna do is I may just add on to this section here and bring it closer, bring it out farther so that just the tower has a seat, and then put it up against the wall there. And I think that might work. What do you guys think? Do you think I should mount on an arm up over this monitor, or should I extend the desk to the right a little bit, move the tower to the right a little bit, put that monitor back down where I had it? Booyah, boys. Update is done. New Corsair keyboard. RGB, what's up, what's up? Ooh, 1080 Ti. Everything's ready to rock and roll. Everything's in there. Running good, running good. I decided to just put it back to normal, put the tower back down underneath the desk for now until I figure out what the heck I'm going to do with it. But, I mean, I'm uploading all this video footage right now. I'm going to edit it, see how it goes, check it out. But that's going to be the end of today's vlog. Tomorrow, I'm going to Base Barbecue that my little, like, Arizona car audio group puts on once a month. I'm gonna go to that tomorrow. I'm getting my tires put on tomorrow as well, so I have some video footage of both of that for tomorrow. So see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, let me know what's up, leave a comment, guys. Thanks.